Hi everyone, Maggie here at amigos.com. I've been working on an amigurumi bunny pattern and I thought I would show you guys how I add stuffing fiber to small limbs. This one is going to be the bunny's arm and I thought I would take the time to show you guys what I do and what tool I use. I use a Hemostat as a stuffing tool. This tool is such a time saver and helpful. I've got this one on Amazon.com. The size of this one is, they have all kind of sizes, but this one is a perfect size for this kind of job that I do here. This one is about 12 inches long or 30 centimeters. It has a locking with 4 locking positions. It's great to hold your fiber as you are working on it. I love to use this as a tool to add fiber to my amigurumi projects, even to the bigger parts. It's very, very, very helpful. Well, like I mentioned, this is the arm, and while I'm showing this to you, I'd like to say that I avoid adding stuffing to my toys in small amounts, like a little bit at a time. I try to grab as much fiber as I can in one take so I don't have to keep adding it. This is a good way to avoid bumps in my work, so I thought I would record this quick video to show you how I do it. So I'm going to grab my fiber here and my hemostat. I'll grab the fiber with the hemostat spread along the length of the jaws like this. Make sure that's spread evenly. And then I roll the fiber a few times around the jaws, not so tight, but I think probably 4, 5 times, making sure it's not very tight so you don't tear the fiber. Next, I'll insert the fiber in the arm and give it a double twist to put it in place. As you can see, there is still fiber out of place. I will unlock the hemostat. Then I will hold the fiber and pull the unlocked hemostat halfway out. And then I'll lock it again and push the fiber inside. Repeat this process until the fiber is completely inside in the arm in this case. Make sure you don't push it so hard, too hard, because that would make it uneven. As you can see, it gets in there and doesn't make any bumps or anything, and it's nice and even. And that's how I do it. It's very simple, not a lot of going back and forth. So it's such a helpful and efficient way to add fiber to your amigurumi. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to subscribe to my newsletter to be the first to know when this free pattern is out, I'll leave the link in the comments section. I hope you like this tip, and please let me know in the comments what you think. Until next time, thank you.